Hi everyone, once again welcome to our SQL tutorial. In our previous lessons, we learned on creating a database, creating a table, inserting records into a table, updating a table, and deleting record from a table. Today we will not focus on this, and if you would like to learn more on this, you can find the previous lessons link under the description section. Today I would like us to start our journey on retrieving data from the database using the SQL queries. Previously, we created a database by the name SalesDB, and I would like us to ask the system to use the database SalesDB. Use SalesDB. Execute that. We can see it has been successfully executed, and so currently now in our system we are using the SalesDB. Let's start retrieving our data from the DB, and our first command will be select all. We use the asterisk sign to signal all, and this sign means that you will retrieve all the data from the table that you want. You specify this asterisk signals that you have to retrieve all the data. So we are selecting all from our table. Remember, previously we created a table by the name product bike. So we are retrieving all the data from our table product bike. Let's execute this and see what it has. And as you can see, it has given us the result. It has retrieved all the data, all the records that are in our table product bike. All the records that are in our table product bike. Well, you can see that the product bike table has more than we had during our last lesson. This is because for the purpose of this lesson, I added some few rows to be able to achieve our today's lesson. You can do the same. You can apply the techniques that we learned previously to also add these rows to your table. You may want to retrieve specific columns from the table. Maybe you do not want the whole table. Maybe you need some specific columns. To achieve this, we use, first of all, let's have a comment here. Let's say that we are retrieving specific columns. To do this, now we will not use the asterisk sign, which means all, but rather we will say select. Maybe we want the column product ID and the product price, so we'll say select product select product ID, comma, and the other column that maybe we need the prod price. Then we tell it from where do you want to extract it from. From now our table name product bike. Let's execute this one and see the results. As you can see, now it has returned just the two columns that we have requested that it execute. You can see we have the product ID and the product price. That's how you extract maybe specific columns. If you need 3 of them, you still continue using the comma to separate the columns. We may want to filter our record to meet a certain criteria, and to achieve this, we use the where clause. Where clause, let's use it. As usual, let's have our comment using where clause to filter records. And this is how our where clause would look like. Select all from product bike where maybe what do you want to achieve, what do you want to filter. Maybe we want to get a record where the product name is BMX, where product name equals, remember to use the code, since this is a string, where product name equals to BMX. Then now we can execute this and see what it will give to us. Execute, and as you can see, it has returned just one row where the product name is BMX. It has filtered our record and it has returned to us the only column, the only row that we have requested where the product name is BMX. So that's the work of the where. It helps us to filter. So we continue with the where clause together with other clauses. Now I'd like us to learn to look at the and, the use of and together with the where clause. Using the and, using and with the where clause. This is how we do it. Select all from our table product bike where maybe we want to get the result where the product category equals bike and this is where our and comes in, and prod color, let's use the prod color, equals red. For example, let's use red. So let's see what it will give to us. Execute. Well, you can see now it has filtered for us those items or those products where the product category is bike and the product color is red. And it is good to note that the and clause only returns true if both conditions are met. If both conditions are met, that's when the AND clause returns true. So let's look at another example to see that. We can look at another example to see that. So we can use the same here, but with a little bit of change, small change. So at this point, we can use prod name equals BMX. So we needed to look for us to get us the record where the product name is BMX and the product color is red. Let's see what it will return. Execute that. You can see it has returned a 0 result. This is because both conditions has not been met. Both conditions has not been met. There is no product that has a product name BMX and a color that is red. So it returns 0 result. Now let us look at the all clause. All. Let's use our comment. I love using the comments. This because, as I told you previously, they are helpful for reference. Maybe when you come back later, you'll know what you are doing, or someone else may know what you are doing at a certain point. So we're using the all. Now we are using the all, applying the all with the where clause. With the where clause. With the where clause. So, and it's good to note that the where clause, the all clause returns true if either of the condition is met. It returns true if either of the condition is met. So, well, we can use the same here. Also, it will help us to see the difference between the all and the add in terms of returning the result. Let's use the same that returned 0 result with the AND. So we use it for the all. So in the place of AND, we use the all. We use the all. Let's execute and see. Wow, you can see the difference between the all and the add. As for the all, it has returned as long as either of the condition has been met. And we can see this by, we can see the first 2 rows that has been returned. Well, they meet the condition of the product color red, yet they don't have the product name BMX. On the 3rd row, it has met the condition of the product name BMX, yet it doesn't have the product color red. So it returns true if either of the condition is met. So that's how we use the all in our data retrieval. We may want to sort our records or the results, the data that we have retrieved. We may want to sort it. And to do this, we achieve this by using the order by clause. We achieve it by using the order by clause. So let's see how it works. So what we are doing, we are sorting. It's sorting our records. First of all, I'd like us to retrieve the data where the price is select all, where the price is greater than 2,500. So select all from prod bike, product bike, where road price is greater than 2,500. So let's first of all execute this one and see how it will be. So you can see we have the record of those products whose product price is greater than 2,500 or 2,500. So let's go into the use of the order by. Sorting using order by. Let's see how it looks like. So we have select all from product bike, where road price is greater than 2,500, order by, we may want our record to be ordered by the product name, so order by prod name, product name. To specify whether you want it to be ascending or descending, in this case let us use the ascending and see how it looks like. To tell it ascending, we use ASC. This one instructs the system to order it in an ascending order, ASC. So let's execute that one. Well, you can see that we have the prices which are greater than 2,500, and the list has been ordered by the product name. We can see it starts from the B in an ascending order all the way to T. If you would like to sort it in a descending order, we can use the same here. We use the DESC, descending. This one signifies descending, so it will order it in a descending order. Let's execute and see. And as you can see now, it is a descending order. It starts from the T all the way to B. It's no longer in an ascending, it's in a descending order. Well, that's all for this lesson. In our next lesson, we'll look further into data retrieval, applying other SQL commands or conditions in our data retrieval. Thank you so much for running with us. Kindly ensure to subscribe. Hit that subscription button, like, comment, and let us meet in our next lesson. Bye bye.